Our Ghosts of Georgetown Tour is the perfect nighttime event for all ages. The tour combines history, storytelling, and the paranormal into a 1.5-hour event that will thrill and excite even the most skeptical of guests. The tour starts outside the white picket fence of the old stone house. The scene is then set for the rest of the tour, where your guide will take the group through a route that is designed to showcase some of the most haunted houses on the East Coast. See, Georgetown started out as a port town, and it grew over the years as the tobacco and coal trade made it an important economic hub for the colonies. Mansions were built, empires were forged, and a civil war came and went. In the wake of all this, spirits have stayed behind to remind us of their trials and tribulations. You will hear tragic and scary stories about the famous and the obscure, and the innocent and the guilty. Now, ghosts aside, you will also get to see Georgetown how it's meant to be seen. Quiet and at night. The federal-style houses, the gas lights, the ornate chandeliers, and the cobblestone streets. Finally, your tour guide will end the evening at the infamous and deadly Exorcist Stairs, where the chief protagonist of that 1973 studio thriller fell to his violent and cursed death. Come prepared. Bring your friends and enjoy this evening of enchantment and mystery, if you dare. Before or after your tour, enjoy dinner at one of the many highly rated local restaurants. We recommend Martin's Tavern, Miss Saigon, or The Tombs. For more information about Georgetown and our other walking tours, visit our website at dcbyfoot.com.